no.
Okay, can you let Tita to say something first?
Excuse me, can I say something? Nothing?
Is it okay to let Tita to say something
Okay.
first, please?
Excuse
Okay,
me. Can I
Finish?
say something?
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Are you finished?
You're finished or no?
Are you finished?
No.
Don't give us a chance.
Is it okay now? No?
No.
Can you let Tita to say first? You say
Excuse me, everybody, can I say something?